we will see the challenges facing the adoptions of standards within IoT. So the first one is standard for handling the unstructured data. So structured data are stored in relational databases and queried through SQL, for example, whereas unstructured data are stored in different types of NoSQL databases without a standard querying approach. That is one of the challenge. Then technical skills to leverage newer aggregation tools. So companies that are keen on leveraging big data tools often face the shortage of talent to plan, execute and maintain the systems. Then intelligent analysis and actions. The last stage in IoT implementation is extracting insights from data for analysis, where analysis is driven by cognitive technologies and the accompanying models that facilitate the use of cognitive technologies. Then the factors driving the adoption intelligent analytics within IoT. So artificial intelligence models can be improved with large data sets that are more readily available than ever before. Then the growth in crowdsourcing and open source analytics software. So as we know that the cloud is very widely used for the storage purpose, cloud-based crowdsourcing services are leading to new algorithms and improvements in existing ones at an unprecedented rate. Then real-time data processing and analysis. So the analytics tools such as complex event processing enable processing and analysis of data on real time or a near real time basis, driving timely decision making and action. Then the challenges facing the adoptions of intelligent analytics within IoT. So the inaccurate analysis due to flaws in the data and or model. So a lack of data or presence of outliers may lead to false positives or false negatives, that is exposing various algorithmic limitations. Then the legacy system's ability to analyze the unstructured data. So the legacy systems are well suited to handle the structured data. Unfortunately, most IoT interaction generate unstructured data. Then the legacy system's ability to manage real-time data. So traditional analytics software generally works on batch-oriented processing, where all data are loaded in the batch and then it is analyzed. Then the factors driving the adoptions of intelligent actions within IoT. So the factors that are driving the adoption on intelligent actions, that is lower machine prices, improved machine functionality, because at lower prices we need high tech functionality, machine influencing human actions through the behavioral science rationale, means the machines can influence human actions and according to that it should behave. Deep learning tools, the various deep learning tools that is the main factor also, because that can help us for the various processing. Then the challenges facing the adoption of intelligent actions within IoT, that are nothing but the machine's actions in unpredictable situations. We cannot say every time, we cannot predict what will be the scenario. Information security and privacy, which is always an ongoing challenge. Machines interoperability, because many times we have to create a machine in such a way that it should behave properly in the existing environment. Mean reverting human behaviors, that is it should have the knowledge of behaving or answering according to human intervention. Slow adoption of new technologies, because technology is growing day by day, that's why the slow adoption of new technologies. These are few challenges also that are facing the adoption of intelligent actions within IoT. In our next section we will see the various computing frameworks. Thank you.